when should I plant beets? I tried to grow them for 3 years with no luck. I know they don't like the high heat of the summer. This is Cheryl from Ipava, Illinois. You know anything about beets?
I know how to roast them. They taste delicious. But and here they're a cool season crop. And we would plant ours in Memphis mid-February.
Right.
And I had to do a search on the internet to find out what hardiness zone that she's in. And Cheryl is in zone 5A.
Wow, right.
So their growing season is much different than ours is here in Memphis.
Yeah, growing season is definitely different. For this area in Illinois, they can actually start beets from seed. They can put them in the ground in April all the way to July.
Wow.
And that's a long season, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know, for that. Again, they're cool season root crops here. But in Illinois, yeah, a seed can go in the ground anytime from April to July. Think about that. And some of the varieties that they can actually grow, and one we can grow here is the Detroit Dark Red.
Okay.
So Detroit Dark Red is a Ruby Queen, a Early Wonder, and a Sweetheart that you can grow in the Illinois area. So what I would suggest, Ms. Cheryl, call your local extension office. They should have information about growing beets for you there. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.